The thing that people need to realize when they're trying to build a business, start a side hustle, whatever the situation may be, is you cannot be scared to put yourself out there. You have to understand that you are now a business person. The sole idea of being a business for yourself is to make some freaking money. And if you're scared to actually ask for a sale, if you're scared to ask for money in return for your services, my friend, you are not a business person. If you want to be seen for a service, you want to be seen for a business, you have to operate as such. And a lot of people, they have products and services that they're offering, but they're scared to actually put themselves out there and say, hey, this is what I have to share with the world. This is how much it costs. People are scared to make money. And in the world we live in, scared money don't make none. If you are someone who wants to build a business, start a side hustle, earn extra income, you have to be willing to put yourself out there, because what's going to happen is if you're not willing to put yourself out there, these are the people that's going to take advantage of you. Family and friends, they're going to ask you for your services, but they're not going to be willing to pay full price for it because they know that you don't value yourself. However, they do see your potential, but they see that you don't value yourself, so they're going to say, I see that you offer this $50 product, I give you $30 for it. And the reason they ask for a discount is because they know that you don't understand your true value. You offering a service, and I know that you're not man enough or woman enough to say how much it truly costs. I'm gonna give you what I got in my pocket. Because you're scared to actually say, this is how much it's worth and I'm not taking anything less, you're gonna be taken advantage of by these people. So if you are someone where you're tired of being taken advantage of by family and friends, you want to grow a business, and you want to be seen as a successful business person, how you stop that is you have to be bold enough to see yourself as a business person. You have to understand that you're in this game to make money. Otherwise, why are you doing this? You're in this game to make a profit. This is how much it's worth. I'm not charging anything less than that. And what's going to happen is people who are trying to get a discount all the time, they're going to stop asking for a discount because now they see that you have confidence in your business and they know that you're not going to play that game anymore. You have to be bold enough to ask for the sale, because what you're doing is you're undercutting your true value and ultimately preventing the success that you could be having in the business world. If you don't believe in your success, why should anyone else? You got this.